I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test in the Redmi K20 Pro while playing the PUBG game, guys. So a lot of users are asking me to do a test on that. Recently, I did a video on the Realme X, and it's been a quite gap in doing with the Redmi K20 Pro because right now I'm in the Australia and I came for the doing the masters, and I'm very busy with part-time jobs. So that's why I could not able to do a video on this one. So I've been buying all my phones with my pocket money, which end to the part time. So that's why I need support from all of you guys. So which will be helpful for me to buy more and more devices. So here you can see the model of what I'm using right now, Redmi K20 Pro, and 8GB RAM and 120GB variant. And here I'm using the default charger which came along with the box. So recently I did a charging test comparison as well between the Redmi K20 Pro and Realme X. So now let me connect to the Wi-Fi and I'll begin the test and connecting the charger. As you can see, I'm connecting the charger and I'll start the test. So you can see the temperature as well, 30 degrees right now. And let me play the PUBG game right now. And the brightness I kept to the 50% as you can see here. So now I'll be playing this game without using the headphones. So because I have done the similar kind of test in the Realme X as well. So with using 50% of brightness and without connecting the headphones. So for more videos of this Redmi K20 Pro and Realme X, check the links in the description. Let me show you what graphics I am using right now here. As you can see here, these are the graphics I am using right now. And I'll be playing the game and I'll be recording the battery percentage for every 30 minutes. Subscribe to my channel for more videos on the Redmi K20 Pro and the future videos which I'm gonna do on a lot of devices as well. So I need a lot of support from you all guys just by subscribing to me. And if you have any queries regarding this phone, just comment below. And if you have any suggestions, you can give it to me. As you can see, after 30 minutes of playing the PUBG game while charging, so right now the battery percentage reached to the 24% as you can see here. So let me check the temperature right now, how much it is in the phone. So I can feel a little bit of hot here. As you can see at 37 degrees right now. So I'll be continuing the PUBG game for quite some time. And again I will be recording after 30 minutes so that you will get a clear idea how much it got charged after 1 hour. So as you can see, after 1 hour of playing the PUBG game while charging this Redmi K20 Pro, the battery reached to the 34%, as you can see here clearly. So the battery is not charging quite faster guys, so when compared with the Realme X. So this is the temperature right now, 38 degrees. I'm not sure if this continues, I'll be stopping the test after 1 hour, because it's been night close to 11:30, 11:40 right now. So I'll be just continuing the test for 1 hour and we'll get to know the conclusion that how much the battery gets charged in 2 hours, and we can calculate how much it will take to charge 100%. So right now I'm using with the extreme settings and playing the PUBG game in this phone, Redmi K20 Pro. So again I'll be recording after 1 hour of playing this game. So as you can see, after 2 hours of playing this PUBG game in the Redmi K20 Pro, the battery reached to the 52%. So this is very horrible guys, because recently I did a video on the Realme X which charged up to 90% with the first 1 hour of playing this PUBG game, which is very good. But recently one of the subscribers asked me to do a video on the Redmi K20 Pro. So thank God I did a video on this, because so a lot of users who are gonna buy this Redmi K20 Pro for the gaming purpose, then they'll be very disappointed guys, because the phone is very slow in charging speed. As you can see here, Even though I charged for 2 hours continuously, still the battery increased only by 42%, which will be equivalent to the 21% for 1 hour. So overall it takes about like 4 to 5 hours to get fully charged from 0 to 100 if you are playing the PUBG game. So this is very horrible when consider the Realme X, which can charge in 1 hour and 20 minutes while playing the PUBG game with the Wi-Fi and with the 50% of brightness. Same test I did on the Realme X as well. I know the processor is different in both the phones and even the battery is lesser in the Realme X, but still the time gap, as you can see here, the 4 hours, 4.5 to 5 hours comparison between the 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes in the Realme X. So as you can see here clearly, the Redmi phones doesn't charge up pretty fast while playing the PUBG game or using the phone heavily while charging. So recently one subscriber asked me, so that's why I try to make a video on that, so that everyone will get a clear idea before buying the phone, so which one to choose. So even the Redmi K20 as well will have the same kind of issue, because both the phones are of like similar but the different processor, but it doesn't change the charging speed rate according to me, I guess. So if you want to buy the phone, then if you're like heavy gamer in the PUBG, so then I'll suggest you to buy the Realme X, so instead of the Redmi K20, because both the phones are having similar kind of processor, close to similar, like Snapdragon 710 and Snapdragon 730. The performance might be a little bit more in the Redmi K20, but the charging rate will be very less when compared with the Realme X. So if you are a heavy gamer, I will suggest you to buy the Realme X. So only because of the charging rate speed is not good in the Redmi K20 Pro. It will be same to the K20 as well. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.